Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a super easy way to get a free $100 Starbucks promo code. This method is quick and straightforward, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. To get started, head over to escapon.co/Starbucks. Once you're on the site, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it correctly. I'm entering my email now so you can follow along and see exactly how it works. After entering your email, the next step is to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'm going to select that option and click the Continue button. It's essential to choose the correct device because the process might vary slightly. The site will now begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the fastest ways to score $100 off your next Starbucks visit. Now, your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step we need to complete. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify yourself by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no need to worry about any charges. You can pick any 2 apps that are available to you, no need to choose the same ones I'm selecting. Sometimes, an app might not download or work properly, so if that happens, just select a third app as a backup. I'm downloading my second app now, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and run each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up, so if that comes up, just follow the instructions to make sure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've run the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Starbucks promo code should be waiting for you in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Starbucks promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel.